Okay, so this is how I mount this one on the windshield. So we'll find a place. The camera is actually here, so we better mount it off to the center. So the camera will be in the center, okay? And then they give you this plastic so you can put on the windshield, and then you can stick the camera onto it. So later, if you need to remove the camera, it's easier just to peel off this plastic sheet. They gave us this little tool so you can push the wire to hide it between the glass and the top. And normally you go in here. So this is how you do it, okay? And you just keep going. And then you go all the way to the top. So some of them is harder to do. And you just try to tuck it in all the way. You need is actually the power cable. And you can hide it in here, go all the way down, right there. And then you go around here. And then right over there, and you can go all the way down. And then you hook it behind here. And you run across. And then you go in here like this. Okay? So, I'm not a professional, so I just do it for my car. So I don't really care, you know, how it looks. But it looks pretty good. So this one here is for the rear camera. So you go the same way. But this one, instead of tucking it in here, I don't really want to. And then you go under here. And then you go all the way. And then you can tuck it in here. All the way to the back. And then keep going. This one, keep going all the way until here. And then you're gonna go in here and to the back. So now, how we're gonna make it so that it looks clean. The hatchback like this one, if you're lazy, you can just hang it. And then you have a wire hanging here. Or you can find, like this one, you can go, the wire, you can put it through here and then go out and then go inside here and go through here. You can lift this up, okay? And then you can get it out from here. And then you mount it in the rear window like that. Okay? So they give you this one for you to tie the wire in place. So the wire is really long, so I pull it all the way back here and then come back. All right? So you can see it in here. So this wire go like this all the way to here and then come all the way back and then go inside here. and here. So I tie wrap it good. The back camera also put a little plastic that they give you. Put a little plastic first and then stick the camera onto it and then adjust this so that it's straight. So for the 4K camera, make sure you get a micro SD 128 gig at least. What we need to do is to download this app for the camera, and we turn it on to go into the Wi-Fi and connect to the dash cam, and the password is 12345667. Okay, so it's connected. It's connected to the camera. All right, so in the camera setting, so we turn on the speaker volume and the video resolution is 4K. We don't need to mirror loop if we want to do 3 minutes instead of 5 minutes, okay? And then collision sensing, we hit it high. This one doesn't have a parking, so we don't do that, all right? So if we look in here, we're gonna stop this one from, we're gonna go to, if you wanna access the camera files, and we can see all the video, and let's see, so this is at night. All right, so that's it. So we can look at the back and the front. So if you want to lock, or we can download it. So let's see, lock. So we can lock either one of these. So one negative thing about this video camera is it's recorded in .ts file, which is DVD. So on the Mac, you cannot really access the SD card, and it's only seen by the Windows. And in order to make the video, you have to convert it to the MP4 before you can add it or do anything. But actually, with the right video app, you can actually watch it. Okay.
That is off. Start recording.
Since the rear camera recorded in reverse, so we should set the mirror for the rear camera in the app.